1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 T-top car. Numbers matching 350. V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Take a look at the front fascia. Paint shows well. Paint coat on this one, originally 63, so camel colored car, looking very much the same. It would have, as it did back in 1979 on the Chevrolet dealer showroom floor. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. It's included in the purchase. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures of this, over 100 pictures of this car online. Rocket 5-spoke wheels. Interior would be 62B, just tan standard cloth, and appears to be the original interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Is the glass T-tops, smoked glass T-tops. Just have them out for some of the pictures in the video. Aluminum louvers. Once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Also remember that we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If for some reason you can't make it to see this car yourself, maybe time restraints or distance traveled, you want somebody else to take a look at it, feel free to. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures and the videos. You can see a video of this car driving, as well as all those pictures online. So door panels look good. Carpeting, seats, showing a little wear, a couple of different spots, but good car to get in, turn the key, drive, have some fun, take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's go ahead and start this up. Rear fuel gauge is working. Voltmeter. That was a cold start, so I don't expect the temp gauge to be up. Tach working. I did not get the Pioneer aftermarket stereo to power up, just so you know. Top of the dash looks good. Nothing crazy or over top of the exhaust, just a nice sounding 350 underneath the hood. Let me get this hood popped and we'll take a look at the engine bay. Of course, the hood release up under the front fascia quite a way. It's going to take me a couple hands to get that open, and I'll be right back. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. Again, numbers matching. 350 V8. Power steering, power brakes, smooth running. There's the battery disconnect. If you do have it in storage, you want to disconnect the battery. HEI ignition. Nice clean engine bay also. Real deal Z28, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 T-top car. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. May be extendable out to 10 years. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'd assist with transportation.
Hey, Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro. Very period correct looking gold with some gold graphics. Our left turn signal indicator is working. Tachometer and speedometer are working. Fuel gauge reading about a quarter of a tank. Volt gauge may not be correct, it's reading about 12. And the temperature gauge stays at 100, that does not function. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays nice and straight in the lane. This is an automatic on the center console. Easy to steer, nice bucket seats. Our blower motor does work. Wipers also are functioning. This car also has glass T-tops, which if you're going to have a Camaro like this, T-tops are great to have. Stays pretty flat in the corners. Fun to corner with. Good exhaust rumble when you get on it. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com of this 1979 Chevrolet Camaro.